Welcome to my channel. Linksys RE6500 Manual Setup Steps, Web Browser Method. Step 1. Power on. Plug the Linksys RE6500 into a power outlet. Wait until the power LED turns solid. Step 2. Connect to extender's Wi-Fi. On your laptop or phone, go to Wi-Fi settings. Connect to Linksys extender setup. Step 3. Open web browser. Go to http://extender.linksys.com. Step 4. Launch Setup Wizard. Click Start Setup. Choose as a Wi-Fi range extender. Step 5. Select your Wi-Fi network. Choose your home Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter the Wi-Fi password when prompted. Step 6. Name extended network. Keep the default name, e.g., home Wi-Fi_ext, or set your own. Click Next to apply settings. Step 7. Finalize and reconnect. Connect your device to the new extended network. Confirm setup success via the browser screen. Step 8. Relocate the extender. Move the RE6500 to an area halfway between your router and weak signal zones. Make sure signal strength is at least 50% for best performance. For instant help, call 1-800-915-5645.